Today we discuss about the how to increase your page likes. So you are creating page, but you are facing problem called increase the likes. So how to increase the page likes on the Facebook? So here please write down URL facebook.com/manage. Facebook.com/manage. So here this URL indicated by the paid version. If any paid ads run by Facebook, the URL called facebook.com/manage. And Facebook payment accept is the three things. One is the create a debit card, net banking, and Paytm. Create a debit card, net banking, and Paytm. Now here, this is called your account name, ID, and status is a spending amount, and is a remaining amount here is a total amount here. So what how many amount will be pending here? Still in my account will be 156 rupees. Now here, just click here. Here option call is billing. So first I'm adding the amount. How to add the amount on your Facebook account? So I can open the facebook.com/manage. Here the option call is billing. Here I can go to the payment settings. See here, this is called payment method. Go to the payment settings. Go to the option called billing. The option called payment setting. Payment will be called three options. Sorry, how much balance? This is a prepaid card, not for postpaid. The prepaid. Now here, add money will be accepted by the three ways: credit card, net banking, or accept for Paytm. Three options. What is that? Credit card, debit card, net bank, and Paytm. Last one is coupons. Coupon will be rare. We can't use coupons. Coupon provided by the Coupon Dunia and Coupon Raja, both websites. Coupon Raja and Coupon Dunia. And Facebook will send in by the based on the payments. Suppose spending 1 lakh or 10,000 above, they're generating coupon code by your email. You can use that coupon code by the 10% discount, maybe 20% discount like this. So this is payment process. Now here I can show your first option. Go to option call is ad manager. In the option call is create ad. So take the steps. Go to ad manager. The option call is create ad. So just browsing the file here. So here, this is your ad manager. So in this option call is create ad. Now here, what is the option call is create. Here, wait for a second here. So when you click the create, they show him by the three option. So if we increase the page likes, the option call is select the option call is consideration. Here the option call is engagement. In the option call is page likes. Here select by the anything 1 2 3 likes. What my campaign name is 1 2 3 likes. Click for continue. So first you can set by your ad set name. You can set by this 1 2 3 ads. Here you can select your pages. Which page are you promoting for likes? Which page are promoting for likes? Just here, I'm selecting one page here. Order so much welcome page. I'm selecting one page. So just come down here. Where you can promote Hyderabad. Where I'm promoting for Hyderabad. Before ad time, don't forget. Always this arrow size will be called middle. If you are down, maybe up. That is called wrong. It's set by the wrong traffic. Audience size always will be middle. So here, set by age wise, you can select by the 16, not for 65. You can select by up to 40 years. The Arya Samaj website. 18 years to 40 years. Major to up to 40 years. Now here, gender, male or female. Suppose you can language we can kept on the empty, that is covered by all languages. Suppose enter the specific language, they covered by only for specific language here. English. Telugu. Suppose how many language? English and Telugu. How many members are there? 5,400 to 27,000 each. How many likes? 170 to 690. Now come to here. What is that? Hindu temples, religion. This is called marriage. Arya Samaj. Check this. Is it clear? Both. One is called marriage and Arya Samaj. What is the marriage rename called? New name is called wedding. Another name. Sorry. Select only for interested thing only. Related categories. Arya Samaj is called tax. Arya Samaj thing but marriages, Arya Samaj, weddings. This provided by the all kind of marriages. This is called your interest. Suppose you are into interior, select by the interior decorators, designers, and model designer. You can select by the multiple categories. This is all called the targeting keywords. This is called tags. Now here. Now your connection will be called Facebook page. We can promote anytime one page or we can promote by multiple page also. Promote anytime one page or multiple page. Look here. So here. Any name we can search here. Is it clear? You can promote by another page also. Anytime we promote by 2 pages. Or maybe 1 page also. What is that here? Connections. So here, what is that? Facebook pages, apps, events. Right now promoting for Facebook page likes. Selecting by the Facebook. Here, what is that? People who like your page, friends of the people who like your page, and exclude people who like your page. Like this. What is the option called is? 3 option. One is called like members, like member friends, or except like and like member friends. You can target by the unknown persons. Generating likes. Now here, click the save audience. First location will be targeted Hyderabad and targeted keywords, language and what is that? Interested things. Now click for save. After that, what the first one? Daily budget. I can schedule daily budget is, please write down minimum daily budget is starting with the 40, but minimum per day budget will be 100 rupees. How much? 100. Please take for 100 rupees for daily budget. Based on the budget, they showing estimation. Look here, 5,500 to 27,000 impressions. Likes will be 140 to 530 likes. The like will be based on by the targeted peoples. What's called targeted audience. Now here, what is that? Page likes, automatic or manual. Manual thing, but we can give the manual budget. How much they give? 300. We can give by 0.25. Per like, how much they charge? 20 paisa per page likes. Each like we can give the manual pricing here. Suppose we can click the automatic. They charge by automatic. I can give by the manual price. How much? 0.20 paisa. Now here, when you get charge, when you get the charge nothing but our impression or clicks. Look here. Click the more option. What I'm looking for? Page likes or impression. Page likes. Click for page likes. Now come to here. Deliver type will be standard. So clear? What's showing here? Your budget of this set must be at least 1,500. Please edit your budget from your set. Enable deliver of the ads. Why here? What is that? Daily budget. This is the live budget. I'm seeking for daily budget here. So here, they're showing an option call is this option is they're showing by the tick mark. So minimum expected how many amount? 1,500. So I'm giving only for 100 rupees. Now come down here. Here, what is the manual X? 300. They don't accept by the less than 0. So I'm clicking for automatic. Neither will be there. Set the manual. They fix one budget. More than 1,000, more than lakhs, we settle by the manual budget. but automatic selected by the less budget. Whether my budget is 100, selected by the automatic placements. It's called automatic clicks. So based on the click, they will be charged. They promise how many impression? 500 to 2400. How many clicks? Likes? 33 to 160. 33 will be expected. More than 33, maybe 34, maybe up to 150 to 160. Now you click for continue. Here, please write down. If you are placing ads on Facebook, they accept cover image less than 20% text ad. Less than 20% text ad. See here, I'm adding for single cover image or single video or maybe slideshow. But image will be, text will be less than 20%. You can check by where? Facebook overlay. I show the URL, write down URL here. This is the URL, facebook.com/ad/tool/text_overlay. So here, check the image text content one by one. See, you are uploading one image here. See, a number of images are there here. Just upload them. Check this. Here, please write down condition. The image will be okay. The ad will run by normally. Image content will be low. Your ad reached by the 50%. How much? 50%. Out of 100, they reach by 50%. Image ad text will be medium. They reach by 30%. Image text will be high. The ad will be not run. So this is called image will be okay. So image will be okay. Yes or no? You can use this image. Just go to here. Add more images. Select image. So image was selected here. So more than 20%, the cover image will be not accepted. That is called image ad will be not run by the 100%. They run by 50, 30 or not running the ad. So here I'm close this cover image, previous one. Now they accepted here. So here my image is accepted. My image size will be up to recommended will be called 200 by 444 pixel. 200 will be width, 444 will be height. So 8:3. The ratio will be cut. Just come to here. My ad will be accepted here. Just add your content here. Simple. I'm adding the content along with the hashtag. So don't forget hashtag with social media promotion. Weddings in Hyderabad. So you can give by the number here. Wait for a second here. So I'm adding all details. Everything done. Now click for. Before that, what the option call is? Like. My ad will run by the maybe in the left corner of the Facebook, maybe in the content of the Facebook also. I'll show the after getting ad. Now option call is confirm. It will be not confirm. Maybe your content will be wrong. So here, the upload not will be confirmed. Now click for continue. Please write down note. If you checking the Facebook report purpose, install the app call on mobile. Facebook advertiser. Facebook advertiser. So after reading ad, you can check by the report purpose. You can install app called Facebook advertiser on mobile app. So here we got message on Facebook here when your ad will be approved. Is it clear? So when you ad approved, you got the message here. Still will be pending on review. When review is accepted, your ad will be run. Review will be accepted within an hour. Within an hour. Nothing but 60 seconds time will be taken. 60 minutes time will be taken. Is it clear? 60 seconds will be 1 minute. 60 minutes will be called 1 hour. So 1 hour will be called 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, your ad will be approved within an hour. Is it clear? This is way to get your Facebook likes. Is dependent by the location, category persons, and targeted audience. Is it clear? This is way to start your Facebook likes will be increased using with the Facebook ads.